Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we're going to be going over the tweak command. This is for 123D design. We'll start off with a box here, and one of the ways to enter that tweak command, you pick the solid body and then you pick a face. We'll pick this one, and you've got these options. I will choose tweak. Now you can grab this face and drag it in basically any direction that you want to. And you can also move it in certain planes like this. You can grab any of these symbols, even this one. I don't recommend grabbing this dot one. And another thing that's pretty cool, you can actually rotate these. Let's see what this is. Extend, move, triangulate. I don't know what these do yet. I'll have to try to figure that out later. But you can start to rotate these around and get some interesting things here. Let's go back to extend. Okay, so it actually is changing the number of faces here. So that's interesting. It's leaving everything else at the base the same. So that's what that's doing. We can drag this around and you can see that you've got a lot of power over what this is doing to the shape here. And you can even get quite crazy with it and make shapes like this. So this is all done with the tweak command. I'll start with another new box here. And let's enter tweak the other way. So I showed you how you can pick up the body and then the face and do tweak. Another way is to go to modify and then tweak. And now you can pick just a face, for example, and you can start to move this around. This will make it so it's no longer flat on the bed. You can rotate the face and you've got yourself a new goofy shape. I don't know what you're going to do with that. And then finally, you can hit the K key to enter the tweak command. And I can grab this face, move it around. I could choose that triangulate again. And then once I start moving it differently, you're going to see, once I rotate it, it's going to start getting a little goofy there. So that's how you can use the tweak command. You can do a lot of stuff with it. And I hope that's helpful. So Keith from Kinvert, we went over tweak, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.